Hi X, nakakamiss ka pala. Nakita ko yung mga usapan natin sa archive ng stories. Mga kilig moments ko with you na pinagpo-post ko kasi gusto kong i-keep siya as memories with you. Masakit na nakikita ko to ngayon. Noong sinabi mong mag-break na tayo dahil hindi ako deserving. Sinabi ko na lang sa sarili ko na hindi ka pa handa para sa akin. Sana pala pinaglaban ko ang relasyon natin. Kung pinaglaban kita, magiging tayo pa kaya? Grabe, ilang buwan lang relasyon natin pero sobrang minahal kita. Bago pa man din na maging official na tayo na. I was tired for always waiting for your reply. I was tired of me just waiting for you until you're good. Pumasok ako sa relasyon natin knowing na you are not mentally well and also broken. Kasalanan ko din kasi alam ko kung ano ang papasukan ko. I really miss you, X. What we had was so real. Sana ganun din nararamdaman mo. I truly regret na hindi kita pinaglaban. Sana pinilit ko pero I was tired. It hurts that everything reminds me of you. Every song, every color of pink. But hey, I'm trying to date ulit. I hope you are doing good as well. Kita ko naman sa social media na you're doing good. Maybe better than me. First love hurts.